Get acquainted with the 2016 Buick Cascada. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Buick Cascada, the refined and luxurious convertible that meets your demands for driving pleasure as well as safety. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, premium sound system, backup camera, lane keeping assist. Feel the pleasure of the drive in the Cascada. Take it for a spin today.